The Philippines is still in the early stages of gun-related violences when it comes to schools as compared po to the Western countries. So at this stage, at this point in time, Doc, meron pa tayong magagawa bilang isang lipunan po?
I'll be a bit sharp today. So, after this, maraming mag-speech about this. Okay, that they're sad and things should change. But are they going to really create any change? Okay. So, dapat may output yung pangyayaring ganito to fix things. Unang-una, we have to stop being reactionary. Itong mga sinasabing psych first aid, support groups, etc., that's all important, pero band-aid na siya, reactionary na siya. Okay? We have to go previous to that with regards to prevention, detection, and management. Okay? So sa schools, we have to create systems na pwedeng magsumbong yung mga bata confidentially kung meron silang marinig.
Yeah.
Pangalawa, alam natin, kulang na yung pag-inspect lang ng bag. That's almost useless. Okay?
Okay.
Kasi naman, I can keep the gun somewhere else, no? Oh. And now we know, the next thing won't even be guns. It'll be something else. Pangatlo, now we know the weakness of the religious education or prestigious schools. It does not immunize. We have to really strategize to find out, okay, what can prevent, how can we detect, how can we manage quickly.
No, my last there before we let you go, I know, Doc, you have to go. But I was telling Ricky this also yesterday, where there's a will, there's a way. No matter what you do, diba? I mean, even if you put security guards there, if you put metal detectors, even if you put those X-ray machines, if the shooter is really determined, they will find ways. Like what happened in Tacloban, they passed the back. Diba? Ito ngayon, the news report, kasi nasa kotse, walang body inspection, and then he passed the basement. I even heard he passed through the concessionaires dun sa mga nagbebenta sa canteen. Kaya walang body search. So, di ba? Kasi you will really find ways kung determined ka talaga So, sabi nga ni Martin Aguda, deterrent lang yan yung mga security guard. Pero, hindi naman yan 100% foolproof.
Yes. So we have to go back to the beginning. And we have to remember that the personality of the kid is formed within the family. Okay? So it will always start with good family relations wherein the kid can express his or her emotions without being judged. And by being guided well. And so there's a sense of belongingness rin. And the parents now also have to monitor, it's important that they monitor the gadgets of their kids.